if you're also struggling with these different college deadlines and you've clicked on the right video, we promise by the end of this video you'll know which one is right for you. Regular decision deadline. This is the most common type of deadline that applies to most applications. Regular decision college application deadlines are typically around the beginning of January. Colleges send their acceptance letters sometime in March. You have until the end of April to accept. May 1st is known as the college decision day. Pros of regular decision. Plenty of time to complete your application. Apply to as many schools as you'd like. And finally, time for test retakes. Coming to the cons of regular decision. Maybe a lot to tackle in the final months of your senior year with scholarship, finals and other responsibilities. You may also have less actual time to prepare for college, meaning you also have less time to choose a school. Regular decision deadline, 1st January, 5th to 15th of January depending upon the university, and regular decision results, March, May, April depending upon the college. Next, early decision deadline. Early decision deadline allows students to apply early, as the name suggests. The school reviews these applications early and students also receive an early response from the college. Now this is a great option for applicants who have their heart set on one particular college. Pros of early decision. Number 1. It shows school that you are set on attending there and it's your first choice. This shows commitment. You get a faster response, so if you are declined, you have plenty of time to apply to other colleges. There can be higher acceptance rate at some college. Now, coming to the cons of early decision. It's a binding contract that comes with a huge fee if you try to cancel. Your application is due sooner. You can apply to only one college. Early decision deadline, the 1st and 15th of November. Early decision results, 1st week of December. Next, early action deadline. Early action deadline also allow you to send in your college application early, but unlike early decision deadline, it is not binding. You may apply to multiple colleges under early application. Thus, expect an early response from all the colleges that you apply to. Pros of early action. Unlike early decision, early action is not binding. You receive an early response, yes, so more time to decide on a school. There can be higher acceptance rate at some colleges. Coming to the cons of early action. Your application is due sooner. It's easy to let your financial grades slip when you know you have been selected. Early decision deadline, the 1st and 15th of November. Early decision results, 1st week of December. Next we come to rolling admission deadline. Now with rolling admission, the deadline is same as the regular decision deadline. The only difference is that colleges that offer rolling admission do not wait till after the deadline to send out acceptance letters. They start evaluating the application as they come in and send out the letters as soon as they have made a decision. Pros of rolling admission. There is plenty of time to complete your application. You know quickly if you turn in your application. Cons of rolling admission. Turning it in later could hurt your admission chances. And not all colleges have rolling admission as a choice. So I hope now which one is for you. And if you still have any doubt, connect with us. Our study abroad experts are there for you. Link is in the description below, so go book a free counseling session. Thanks for watching.